name is Miss Donita, and I'm here today with one of my special little friends. Hi, it's me, Alicia. And Alicia and I were just about to watch a STEAM Story Bytes video featuring Miss Stephanie. And Miss Stephanie is going to show us how to make a penguin blubber glove. A penguin blubber glove? Yes, a penguin blubber glove. And since you guys have joined us, let's all watch it together.
Hi, this is Miss Stephanie with a STEAM Story Byte. Do you like to go to the zoo? Do you have a favorite animal at the zoo? One of my favorite animals is the penguin. I like to learn about animals, and I was wondering, how do penguins stay warm all the way down at the South Pole with all that ice and cold? Well, I found out that penguins have a layer of fat under their feathers called blubber. This helps keep them warm in the cold water. We're going to do an experiment called a blubber glove that demonstrates how penguins stay warm. If you want to try this experiment at home, please ask your parents first. You will need a bowl of ice water, some sandwich baggies, some lard or shortening, a spoon, and some towels to dry your hand. First, I'm going to put my hand in the ice water. Oh, that's so cold. I won't be able to keep my hand in here very long. It's too cold. But what if I had blubber like the penguins do? Let's make a blubber glove. We put some shortening into one of the baggies. Here, I'll put a little bit more shortening in there. It's a little bit messy. Okay. So that my hand doesn't get too messy, I'll take the other bag, put it on my hand, and stick that bag inside the first bag with the shortening. Then I will squish the shortening all around to make sure that my hand is protected by the blubber. That's fun. Okay. Now that my hand is covered in blubber, I'll put it back in the ice water and see if it feels any differently. Oh yes, it's not cold at all. I can't feel the cold. The blubber is protecting me from the cold, just like it protects the penguins. I hope you enjoyed learning about penguins and making a blubber glove. I'll see you next time.
Well, what did you think about that experiment? It was a really cool experiment. Get it? Cool. I get it. I get it. Do you think that we can try it? Why, of course we can. But before we do, do you know of any other animals that have a layer of blubber as a part of their bodies? Whales. Yes. And seals or sea lions. Very good. And walruses too. did a very good job, Alicia, answering my question. How did you know that? Well, I have read quite a few books. Very good. And you too can read books about animals that have a layer of blubber at your local library. Well, that's all that we have to share with you today. We hope that we'll see you next time. Take care.